Hi guys, Shane here from Holiday Resort Unity. So today we've got a new arrival, guys. This is a Regal Cranleigh Lodge. Look at it, it's amazing. How beautiful is this? Look at this massive window, guys, patio doors. Oh, it's just stunning. Come this way, guys. Look at this. Oh, yes, come on. Happy days. Dishwasher, washing machine, 5-ring gas hob burner. All the integrated appliances. Check this table out, guys. Look at this. Velvety skylight, sun right in my eyes. It's got blinds on it though, don't worry. Come this way. I mean, what? It's just mad. Look at it. Yes. Super storage. Massive king-size divan. It is just unbelievable, guys. Ensuite in there. Check out the ensuite shower. Love it. Loads of storage. Nice little place just to chill out. Oh, yes, love it. Ooh, look at the size of this. Unbelievable. Loads of room. We hook up there for your TV as well. What a finish. Honestly, this is just beautiful. Love it. This is the family bathroom. So this is it, guys. This is the Cranleigh, Regal Cranleigh. It's a stunner. Come down to the showground and have a little look. Thanks for watching.